Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Assembly Interference Detection lesson. In the assembly, click in the Evaluate tab and select the Interference Detection command. With the assembly selected, click on Calculate to evaluate the assembly. In the results window, select the interferences detected to visualize them. In the Options section, activate the option Create Fasteners folder. In the non-interfering components, select Hidden. Select the different interferences. In the gear interferences, click on Ignore to hide them. Close the interference detection to continue. Double-click on the shaft, change the diameter as indicated, and rebuild the assembly. Select the interference detection command again and click on Calculate. Select the interferences between the gears and click on Ignore. Close the interference detection command to finish.